Thanks.
What did you do today? Oh, your hair is messy. Did you just wake up?
Yes.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yes.
How's the weather there? Is it hot?
It's sunny.
Okay, so what did you do today? Can you please move down your camera a little bit? I can't see you well. What did you do today, my beautiful cherry?
Hmm.
Did you do?
I go to my aunt's house today.
You went to your aunt's house today. Very good. What else?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.